Hey y'all, welcome to week 2, day 7. Today is Wednesday, July 8th. We're going to be doing a good amount of work today on thesis statements and on narrowing topics of an essay. We're basically writing an essay today, y'all. So it's up to you to piece together a lot of the things that we've been doing over the past week plus. Specifically yesterday in our pre-writing exercises, right? Those are going to guide us into what we're doing today. So the first thing I want you all to do as soon as you are done with this video is head down, take a look at our course docs, right? Narrowing a topic, and that's going to help you, you know, uh, kind of continue that pre-writing process that we went through yesterday. But this one is deciding on a topic and narrowing it, making sure that it's not just like talking about education, but talking about access to education in a third world country, right? Or equality of education in poverty versus in impoverished versus wealthy areas. So that's what we're going to be doing today first, and then after narrowing a topic, introductions, conclusions, and thesis sentences. Now, introductions and conclusions, I'm very sure you all have done that in high school. We all know the intro paragraph, right? That's when you introduce the subject of your essay. You pretty much preview what you're going to be writing about, and then it ends. The last sentence in an introduction paragraph is typically your thesis statement or your thesis sentence, right? So thesis sentences are going to be one of the most crucial parts of your college writing process, figuring out how to write one and write a strong one, right? A thesis sentence is where you are staking your claim for the essay. It is where you are saying, this is our problem. Uh, the solution is such, right? The solution is within um, this writing, right? Within this essay. So you are going to read those sections, right? Read, study, and do all activities through and including parts of a thesis sentence. So parts of a thesis sentence, there's going to be some exercise there that y'all are going to do, and then when we come together as a group in Zoom, we're going to do ourselves together as a group, as we've been doing, and I will further break down the thesis statement, the thesis sentence for y'all, because once you're done with all the practice and our course docs, you're going to head over to our assignments. And in our assignments today, you're going to write a 4-paragraph essay with a clear thesis sentence, a strong introduction, and a solid conclusion on one of the two topics. Topic 1 is the best career choice in today's economic environment, or 2, how to obtain your dream job after college, right? So it's totally up to you. You can use section 1, that narrowing down, to decide which between those two you might want to do. You might want to do a little research on each, see what you can find more of. You might already know, because you might say, I'm more passionate about the dream job one after college and how to obtain it, because I already know what I want to do. I couldn't envision anything else, right? So you would choose option 2. Some might want to choose 1 because they're being more practical. They're being more economically driven and driven by the reality of what the job market is, right? So it's totally up to y'all. 4-paragraph essay, so that means 1 is your conclusion, 2 body, and then 1 is your introduction, your 2 body, and then your conclusion, right? So don't sweat it. Once again, y'all, this is all a learning process. So what you are writing here today, it will not be perfect. You will make mistakes, and you will learn from them. And we will discuss all of this together in the Zoom. Do not feel overwhelmed. Don't feel like you need to rope down the moon on this essay. I know you all did your an essay on the first day, so this is not your first brush even in this program with an essay. But this one does involve a little bit more structure, and if I were, it involves research as well, right? Because you can't just talk out of your ass about what the best career is for the economy, right? Or even how to obtain your dream job after college. right? So there's a lot of steps. There's a lot you can do to help facilitate this. You're not writing in a vacuum. Remember everything we talked about. You can use your Googles. You can do research and lean on other people's opinions, right? You can lean on me. You can lean on our writing tutors. Y'all are not alone. But I have all the faith in the world that you guys are going to write a really strong essay today. And when I meet up with you all later, we will go over the details of a thesis sentence together after you have read and done some exercises on what they look like. After you're done, of course, you click on the assignments tab. If you have written the whole paper, click, attach, submit, just as we've been doing. Good luck today, y'all. I will see you in the Zoom. And if you have any questions, any trouble, any hesitation at all, please don't be afraid to reach out to me and hit me with an email. All right, you guys, good luck. Go and kill it.